This is Decker's huge burp. He's gonna try to do the really big burp.
No, don't say his name.
Are you videotaping this?
Yes. I'm ready.
You are.
Try to burp that one. I don't think you can.
Is this going?
Yes.
Are you?
Come on. Do a better one. Okay, this
Really?
is burp 2.
Alright, burp 2, man. Burp 2.
You won't miss this.
Oh, it's coming!
Oh, that wasn't good. That wasn't
That's
good.
pretty good.
It's like a boom, boom, boom.
3! Here comes burp.
3.
Here comes burp number 3. 1 is still one is an 8, 2 is a 5. Okay, that's probably a 6.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
a 5.
so
That's a 5. That's a
5
Can we
again.
get a 10 here?
See if we can get it.
Here, it's coming.
Okay,
No, that was a 2. That was a 2.
It's-
Wait. Alright, that's an 8. That's an 8.
That's another 8.
That's an 8.
We're down here. We're down here.
Alright,
One more, see if you can try your hardest.
No,
Try your
one more.
hardest. Try your hardest.
It's coming. It's coming.
Alright, there.
I'm done here.